Morning, guys. It is February 27th, 2021. I'm just going to do a little coffee chat here. It's Saturday morning. I just wanted to do a little thank you video for all the comments and overwhelming support and response that I got from that last video I did in regards to YouTube hater that was starting a bunch of trouble with me, and I was really kind of overwhelmed. I know I got a lot of people that follow me, and just the comments alone were overwhelming. That I know I got an army behind me, and I just wanted to thank each and every one of you that commented on the video. I was a little pissed off in that video. I was swearing and whatnot. I probably shouldn't have did that, but that's just, I have to be me, and I mean, sometimes I go through stuff, and none of us are perfect, I probably should have stayed calm, but just the situation, what was going on, kind of really got under my skin a little bit. And, some people had said I shouldn't have let it get to me, which is probably true. There was a lot of things that it was an issue I was dragged into, and it was not something I wanted to do, or something that I really look forward to doing. I felt I had to, so I did it, and I truly love what I do in life and my business, hobbies, and in YouTube. It's just part of me now. So you get haters. One thing about YouTube is you get a lot of good people that follow, but you also get a lot of haters. It's just how it is, and the bigger you get, the more haters will come. And it's sad, but it's true. You have a little bit of success, the next thing you know, people are, biting at your heels, trying to get what you have, and pick a fight with you just to try to get a piece of what you got. And it's like, it's like, why? Just do like I did in my business. I started out my business, and I built it one day at a time, and I have a successful business. I have a successful YouTube channel. No one gave me nothing. I work for it day in and day out. I've been on YouTube now 8 years, almost 8 years. I've been posting a video a day for 8 years. That's a long time, and it's part of me now, and I still enjoy it. I still want to post and edit and make more videos, and it's crazy the amount of time it takes to do these videos I post. These videos that I post on here every day, it's probably 3-4 hours a piece at least. By the time you edit it and cut all the dead time out and make something worth watching, it's a lot of work. And I'm really shocked that I never got sick of it. I built my YouTube channel just like I built my business, with dedication and hard work, and I never bragged. I never begged for subscribers and tried to steal them from someone else. I never did that. That's not my style. I do believe respecting others in business and on YouTube was a proper thing to do. I really never looked for trouble, but it always seems to find me. For some reason, trouble always seems to find me. For some reason, I don't know why. I think just people need attention, because they just feel worthless, so they want to pick a fight with you just to make themselves look better. It's just a sad situation the way some people live, and it's just unfortunate. A lot of people come up to me out in the street and whatnot and say that they know me from YouTube just by my voice. It's happened to me a bunch of times, and a lot of times I'll pull up to a job, and the neighbor will come running out of his house from the next day. He wants, oh my God, I seen you on YouTube. Let's talk. And he wants to chat for an hour. I said, guy, I'm on the clock here. I got to go in and do this job. But it happens to me all the time. I never let that go to my head. I've been down the Cape, which is probably like 100 miles away, on a date with some flipping crazy broad, talking to her, walking across the street, and people have stopped me because they heard my voice, and they knew who I was by my voice, because a lot of times I'm not in the videos. A lot of my videos, I'm not in the videos, and a lot of people would stop me. Just, they know me by my voice. I've had that happen to me a dozen times. Are you the guy from YouTube? I can tell by your voice. Yeah, that's me. And it's pretty humbling to be able to, for people to say that. And that type of stuff never goes to my head. I mean, I'm not a blowbag. You know, some people, oh my God, I'm the greatest. You know, everybody loves me. You know. Oh, I'm gonna, you know, it's all about me. No, it's not all about you, you fucking blowbag. It's about the people, and stay humble. I'm a firm believer in you should stay humble, and don't let shit go to your head. That's just how I am, you know. I don't want to be a fucking blowbag. I don't want to have a big ego. I think I'm just you know, I'm just a regular guy. I'm no better than anybody else, and I'm just as good as the next guy that's trying to come up in the trade. And I've got a lot of comments. I think I've helped a lot of people out with this YouTube channel over the years. I know I have, because I've got so many comments, and I've had guys email me that, you know, started out in the trade back 8 years ago, and I helped them so much. I helped them to get a job just by watching my videos, and now they got a successful career, and I really helped them just by watching my videos. And I've had that happen to me a bunch of times, and that's rewarding to me. Okay, that's what I really do feel, that I'm helping people. I feel so glad that I'm able to help somebody get a job and they can support their family by watching my YouTube channel. So that's pretty awesome. So I want to be a big wheel with no spokes. I want to stay humble, and I just want to be me. I just want to do me and let other people be themselves, and I never want to become a fucking blowbag. Like some of these fucking people I see. I don't want to be a fucking blowbag. I just want to stay humble and do my thing, and you know, stay in my lane and let other people stay in their lane. That's really what I want. You know, I talk to other YouTubers, and I have a successful channel, I believe. I don't have a lot of subscribers, I don't believe. I get a lot of views, I think, for what I do. Considering the amount of time and effort I put into this thing, I should have 100 million subscribers, and I should have so many more views. But it's a long road. It's a long, hard road, and it's a hobby for me. So I just keep doing what I do, and whatever I get, I get. I'm not begging for subscribers. I'm not begging for views. I'm not trying to, you know, start trouble with another YouTuber that's got more subscribers and views at me, and calling them all kinds of names, and you know, trying to pick fights with him so I could get a little bit of his pie. I mean, that's, how pathetic is that? That's pretty low. And but anyway, I just wanted to do this little video, this little chat with you guys, and just say thanks for all the overwhelming support and the comments. And it was just, it really makes you sit back and say, you know, I guess what I'm doing is really helping, you know. Just from a little guy like me, and I'm no big wheel, like I said, and I do get a lot of phone calls and a lot of emails from people from all over the country and all over the world, and it's really quite overwhelming. But anyway, I got a bunch of more videos coming. I'm not going anywhere. This YouTube is part of me now. It's who I am. It's how I'm wired, and I'm not going anywhere. There's no way somebody's gonna push me off of YouTube, or gonna destroy him. He shouldn't even be posting videos on YouTube all fucking drunk. I mean, really? Okay. Sure thing, guy. But anyway, just wanted to do a quick little thank you video, and that's all this is, a little thank you, and more videos to come.